So, boys and girls, welcome to our word study lesson for Monday. We are learning all about the letter H this week and the sight word my. So, this is the letter H. This is a capital H. This is a lowercase h, which many of you already know. H says, like when you're blowing breath onto your hand. Alright, that is the H sound, like hippo or hand. Our sight word is my. M-Y spells my. Go ahead and read my in a sentence with me or repeat it after me. I can see my mom. The next sentence. My teacher is happy to see me. All right, boys and girls, you have practice pages that you are going to go ahead and do for the sight word my and the letter H.